Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern. It's so easy, just multiple two. So you can make any even number chain, whatever size you want. You can make baby's hat, baby blanket. You can make so many things with this pattern and easy. Even beginner can learn this pattern. So easy and pretty. I hope you will love this pattern. And let's start. So this is loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this pattern you can make any. I made 20. I'm gonna make here single crochet, then single crochet, so I'm gonna continue like this. At the end you must have 20 19 single crochet. Viewers, I have 19 single crochet, chain 1 always, same stitch, make single crochet. So now again I'm gonna make straight like this. 1, 2, 3. This pattern multiple 2 because I use this same stitch. So make chain 1, use same space, 1, 2, 3, close, make chain 1, then use same space, just even number. You can make whatever you want to make, so make just even number, then you should have odd number when you make single crochet. So like if you want to make 19 chains for baby blanket, 90 chains, you should have single crochet 89 single crochet if you make 90 chains. So just make even number. Chain 1, same stitch always, so don't make tight, make bit loose, so it will go in one row, this pattern. Close, chain 1, same stitch. So here this last one I'm gonna make here. No, I'm not gonna make any chain or anything, just make like single crochet at the end, okay, like this. Chain 1, again here single crochet, then use again this each stitch, don't miss anyone. Then make crochet, same stitch, same stitch, this is so easy for beginner. Here same process at the end. Okay, like this, make single crochet at the end, chain one. So I want to show you only here, the both sides same, no that much different. I love this pattern, it's so easy and it's very cute. Go, same stitch always, sorry. Always 4 loops on the hook, sorry, make single crochet, can you see this pattern, how it's beautiful. Chain one, same stitch, my phone is sorry guys, bit clumsy I am, sorry. Always same stitch, like this. So viewer, I hope this pattern is now enough to understand. It's easy, nothing difficult to understand. Four, then chain one. So viewers, I'm gonna stop. I will make a little bit more. I hope you can understand how this pattern is easy, nothing difficult to understand. I will show you at the end. So viewers, I'm gonna stop my model. It's small pattern, but it's easy, you can understand. It's enough video to understand this. You can see from the pretty good pattern for you can make heart, baby blanket, so many things. Whatever I use, just soft wool is a 3-ply yarn, is James Brad double knitting yarn. This is I use 3.5 millimeter hook, or you can use if you want 4 millimeter hook, 5. That's depend on your yarn. You should read your yarn's label. Both sides this pattern are same, not that much different. I hope you love this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for nice compliment. I hope you will love this pattern.